down.
Normal brim. It's not a sunfish, it's just a brim.
Good job, buddy.
I just pushed that thing under the... Oh, this one's a red horse?
All right.
Red
Let me
horse.
see it.
Good job.
Well,
Let me see it right here.
Houston and... Okay.
Put it in there.
Houston and his dad call them creek jugs, but they're a type of sucker and they're called red horses.
Put him right here.
Put him in there.
Good one.
This is a good one. Wow, we don't have a lot of fish today.
Whoa.
Oh, big red horses! Red horses! Oh, never mind. That's just the red horses are all under there.
I see him right here. Watch this. I see right here.
Oh wait, hold on.
Here, get him. Are you here? You're losing your fish.
Oh, big red horse, darling! Yeah!
Let me see it. Show me.
Big red horse!
Where?
I saw him.
Got a lot of them in there.
He was in here. He was in here for sure.
Now watch out. Hey, look.
There he is. Big fish, guys. We just got a big red horse.
Also, there's some small ones too. Here, look.
Yeah, we don't need these things. We got a big red horse. Wait, is this a red horse?
I can't really tell.
I can't see his mouth. It's not a red horse.
What is that?
It's a striper. It's a striper.
That's just one of those river fish.
It's not a red horse. What? Never mind. Who cares?
Put them in your bucket. Look, we got more here. Look right here, Grant. Look at this. Look at this.
It's stuck in goo, look.
Huh? It's stuck in goo.
Look, got the goo. Look. See?
Look here. Look at this.
This is what goo looks like.
Yeah.
Goo.
Come over here, Grant. Come over here. Hey, look here, buddy.
I didn't catch any fish.
Try it again.
Can I do a dive?
Try it again real quick.
Why?
Let's try.
Okay.
Can catch you.
No! That was... Okay. This bass was about that big.
Was it really?
You should have got him.
A bass.
No way.
There's little spotters.
Put him in the pond.
Little spotted.
That thing like a
It was
frog.
small, but I almost caught that thing. I was like, what is that giant flash? It was a bass. No,
Tell me.
no.
What is that?
It's just a little bass. No idea, but some of them are playing dead. No idea why.
Hey, there's some big ones right here.
Huh? Get any?
Hey, look here, Grant. Fish.
Where? What?
I just saw a fish right here.
He's gone. Got him.
Let me see what you got.
Got something there.
No.
But there was a school of them a minute ago that I saw. I just see a school of them.
And now listen, watch out for snakes.
I got one. Dude.
Never see so.
Let me see. Oh, you found a seashell.
Sorry, Rick. I bet I got one. Let's see. Oh, man. Oh. Got one. There he is. We got
Let me see. What is it?
something wrong.
Oh, dude, what is that?
Cool.
Here, show it to me. Let's see it. The camera.
Well, I have no idea what this thing is, but it's some kind of little thing, but let's put him in the bucket.
Nice.
Oh, poor thing. There's just like fish everywhere just walking around this dam stuff. Look, here he is. Little Santa.
Nice one.
It's
Look right here.
in there.
Look right here.
Yesterday.
Look right here. Look.
It's there's seashells in here, then it's the ocean.
Yeah.
Find one?
That's
It
a,
is the ocean.